Hey everybody, it's Ryan over here. Welcome back to the Trawf. Got a kind of a special episode for you today. One of our sons, Charlie, is going to be showing you a recipe today. So I'm going to turn the camera over to him and see how he does. Enjoy it. Welcome to the Trawf.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Trawf. I am Charlie. I'm Ryan's son. Today we are going to be making some quick and easy banana ice cream. Now, I got this recipe from a Ripley's Believe It or Not book. Inside of it, there's this banana ice cream recipe using only one ingredient. So, let's get started. Our only ingredients that we're using here are bananas. The reason they are brown is because they are very ripe, and we're using ripe ones because they're easy to cut and will work good with this. So let's get started. Now we are going to cut the bananas. The reason we're about to cut the bananas is so that when we use the food processor in the next step, it'll be easier for the food processor. Let's do this. So we're using this cottage cheese container. We washed it out and we keep it in our cupboard because, reuse, reduce, recycle. So let's put all of our banana pieces in there. Now the reason we cut them, like I said, is because it'll make the food processor have less work to do. Okay, so now we are going to freeze these overnight. So let's put them in the freezer. Now we have to wait overnight, and tomorrow we'll finish up our banana ice cream. Now that the bananas are frozen, we're going to put them in the food processor to chop them up. This looks just about right. We're looking for the ice cream consistency of soft serve ice cream. You can either eat this now if you just can't wait, or if you can wait long enough, you can put it in your airtight container and wait a little longer until it's more solid. Then you can eat it like traditional ice cream. Let's have a bite. Tastes amazing.
What's it taste like?
Bananas.